Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, audio service cannot start error, access is denied error in Windows 10. Type services.msc in Windows search bar. Click Services. Open Windows Audio. Click Log On tab. Check Local System Account. Also check Allow Service to interact with desktop. Click Apply. Click OK. Click Restart Windows Audio Service. Second method is type regedit in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click Yes to continue. Click and expand HKey local machine. Click and expand system. Click and expand current control set. Click and expand services. Right-click Audio SRV. Click Permission. Click Add. Type System, click Check Names. Click OK. Select System. Make sure system having full control. Click Add. Type Administrator, click Check Names. Select Administrator. Check Full Control and Red. Click Apply, OK. Close and exit registry. Restart system. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.